Well, I'm running my cotton belt engine that I just got. Got it on eBay. Guy listed it as junk or parts. He said it ran and all the lights worked, and that they do. And all I did was clean the trucks with my brand new Kadee truck cleaner for about 20 minutes, and this thing's running fine. No problems. So I got a cotton belt engine now, and I'm watching a GP38 on eBay, a Southern Pacific GP38 on eBay. Crazy lizards, huh? And they're asking $200 for it, so I'm watching it, and I might just pick it up. So I have two engines that match, and I can run some longer terrains. So it's all good. You guys can see my shed here with 13 of my intermodule cars. The other 13 are on the other side of the railroad.